Unit 4, laws of motion. In class 9th, you have come. You have read the laws of motion, force, inertia, and etc. Basically. Now, laws of motion, we call now first force. What is force? As you know, force is a pull or push which changes or tends to change the state of rest or of uniform motion of a body or changes its direction. Have you got it? Because that is force. It is equal to mass into acceleration. Force depends upon mass of the body and acceleration that we represent mathematically. F is equal to ma. If we take m as 1, a acceleration 1, then force is 1. Hence, unit of force. Hence, a unit of force is that which produces in a unit mass a unit acceleration. That is, a unit of force is that which produces in a unit of mass, a unit acceleration. Different units of force. Units of force, absolute units of force are Newton and Dyne. Absolute units of force are Newton and Dyne. 1 Newton is that force which produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a mass of 1 kilogram. 1 Newton is that force which produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a mass of 1 kilogram. Second, Dyne. 1 dyne is that much force which produces an acceleration of 1 centimeter. Instead of meter, here is centimeter per second square in a mass of, instead of kilogram, here is in grams. That is, dyne is smaller unit than Newton. Now, we will draw a relation between Newton and dyne. 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg, kilogram into 1 meter per second square. That is, 1 Newton is equal to 1 kilogram. It is equal to 1000 grams into 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters per second square. That is, 1 Newton will be equal to, here is 1000, 100. This becomes 10 raised to power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 raised 5 grams centimeters per second square. We will calculate that 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to power 5 centimeter per second square. That is dyne. 1 Newton is 10 raised to power 5 dyne. 1. Gravitational units are practical units of force. What are practical units of force, or we call them gravitational units of force? 1 kilogram weight or 1 kilogram force is that force which produces an acceleration of 9.8 meter per second square in a mass of 1 kilogram. That is, what is value of this 9.8 meter? It is equal to the force with which a mass of 1 kilogram is attracted by the earth towards its center. That is, 1 kilogram force is equal to 9.8 Newton. 1 kilogram force is equal to 9.8 Newton. This is gravitational units in gravitation. That is, 1 kilogram force is equal to, in dyne small, that is 981 dyne.